programming question comes in GATE 2025 set 2. So what here? Basically I have two function, this and this, and here this is called the function. So let's see what it says. So first, sum value equals to 0. For n equals to 1, n less than 3, n plus plus means is run only 1 and 2 times in now. And sum equals sum plus equals to g of f of n. So first we have calculated the f of n, and this we have to calculate first this. So the first the value of n is 1. So return n into 2 means the g will be returned 2. The 2 value goes there, and here is the return n plus 1 12. Then we have to calculate g of 12, the value of g of 12 to find. We again go there. No, sorry, not there. We have to go there. N plus 10. So the value will be sum equals to 10 plus 12 equals to 22. So the value here changes to 22. Now again we have to calculate n equals to 2 value. Again the same process. First we calculate the f of n. The f of n value is g of n is n into 2. So the 4 and the 4 goes there. 4 plus 10 equals to 14. So g of 14, and now calculate the g of 12. So it goes there. 12 plus 14 plus 10 is be 24. So sum will be 24. 22 plus 24, that will be the answer will be 46. If you now check the answer is correct or not. So subject will be C programming. 46. Check the answer. Yeah, the answer is correct.